This is Zach with MD Roofing. Today we're at 5034 Turbeville Highway. We're going to be doing a shingle repair on this wind damaged shingle. So this is an insurance claim and we've been asked to do a repair, so we're going to attempt to do that. In order to do so, we need to remove the seal strip or break the seal strip, this shingle, the 2 rows above it, remove the nail fasteners, and then remove the shingle, reinstall the new one. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All the while, this is an older roof, so going to do my best to be as careful as possible to not cause any damage to the shingles around. So let's start by unsealing the shingle. As you can see right here, from unsealing the shingle, this one above it just tore. This is a shingle that is not part of the initial repair scope. So again, this is the shingle we're repairing. This one right here was the one that just tore. So that's a damaged shingle that will now have to be fixed as well. We're gonna try to continue on with the repair here. Go. Just had another another tear here as well. This other shingle, again, just trying to break and seal on these, and we've already had 2 tears on just this one shingle. This shingle just tore also. This is now 2 shingles, not part of the repair scope, which is this one shingle, that have been damaged as a result of attempting this repair. Just had another tear right here. Look at these. So this just tore right here, and then over here was the other one. See the tore right there. A lot of exposed fiberglass here, old shingles, lack of granules. Not surprising that this is happening, but we will continue with the repair attempt. All right. So shingles have been unsealed. Now let's remove the nails. You can see just lifting this up enough to try to find the nail, this shingle just tore again. Another tear in the shingle. These nails were driven in very far into the shingle, making it harder for them to grab. Well, right here on my thumb where I was just lifting, the shingle just tore again. Again, just trying to see the nail underneath the shingle. All right, the first row has been removed. Let's do the second one. This nail's a little bit farther back. You can see the shingle is tearing right here. Again, these are both shingles that are not part of the initial repair scope that have both torn. have looks like not to be a coil nail. This is a different style of nail. Not sure why this is here. See, there was a different nail that was used other than the standard ring-shank coil nail. The shingle is now removed. All right, let's review the area. As you can see, there are numerous tears to the shingles around. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab the hammer there. 6, 7. 7 plus tears to the other shingles around that were not part of the initial repair. It's my professional opinion, this roof cannot be repaired without causing further damage to the other shingles, as now we would have to replace these two, which in turn would lead to the ones above it and the ones above it, and it would be a spiraling effect, and the ones out to the side as well. So this roof cannot be repaired. Thank you.